In this Argos support video, we will show you how to safely clean the ports on your mobile phone. We recommend trying these tips if you are having trouble charging your device or issues with sound performance. Before we begin, you will need the following household items: wooden or plastic toothpick, a small soft brush, compressed air, microfiber cloth. Firstly, always switch off your device fully before performing any cleaning or maintenance on your device. Use a torch or bright light to inspect the ports to see any visible dust or debris. With a wooden or plastic toothpick, gently begin to scrape along the sides of the charging port to loosen and remove debris. Ensure not to use force or push downwards on internal components. Next, use a soft brush to sweep away anything loosened. If you have compressed air, use a few short bursts. Keep the can upright and 5 to 10 centimeters away from the port. To clean speakers and microphone points, use a dry soft brush and gently sweep across the openings. For any stubborn dirt, use a strip of low-tack tape or blue tack to pick up particles without leaving residue. To clean the headphone jacks, use a dry cotton bud. Gently sweep inside and around the ports. For stubborn dirt, use a toothpick to gently loosen.